Does it also feel that nobody's talking about climate change anymore? I mean, Switzerland's heating up and is actually as hot as Italy was 50 years ago. So average temperatures in Switzerland have actually increased 3 degrees above pre-industrial levels, which is almost twice the global average, meaning events like these are becoming more and more common. And just last week, the World Meteorological Organization announced that last year we increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by a record level as well. Now, even though Switzerland is doing a good job in reducing CO2 emissions, I mean, actually we are the lowest emitter per capita of all our neighbors, even Liechtenstein, there's still a lot to do, and Switzerland is starting to feel the consequences of climate change. Agriculture, for example, is having a hard time. Potatoes and sugar beet are actually already moving to higher altitudes to cope with the hotter temperatures. But there are farmers that are trying to adapt. For example, these farmers in the canton of Bern are actually planting rice, because for rice, the hotter it gets, the better. Now, they've been trying this for 6 years, and each year they're learning more and more, and the results are actually getting quite good. So maybe in the near future, rice will be a staple of the Swiss crop, and we'll actually be having rice fondue? Okay, but let's be serious for a second. Swiss science and universities are trying to stay on top of the issue to understand it in all its facets. For example, this researcher from the University of Bern is looking at ancient ice cores from Antarctica to understand the climate of 1.2 million years ago, which is super important to understand how it changed back then, to know how it'll change in the future and build better models. This research consortium, for example, is looking how we can adapt our food and make fungal resistant crops for the future. And this economist based in Lausanne is also taking an approach to try and understand how the world should look in a post-growth world. So lots of cool science bringing us the future we need. But what about you? Do you think climate change has fallen off the radar, especially with everything going on in the world? And how is Switzerland dealing with it? Do you feel its effects? Let us know down below, and also do not forget to register for our event that is happening next Thursday in Zurich, where we'll be talking about Swiss science with fun, games, and a free apéro. Looking forward to see you there.